Okay, we're going to demonstrate the WSP-1014 strip tool. It's a pneumatic powered stripper that will accommodate all of the ideal strip blades that are gauges 10, 12, and 14. It has got a smaller cylinder than other tools in the past. It has got an air speed valve which will control the speed of the tool to make it go slower or faster. It's got a lever on this side of the tool to actuate the tool. So we'll simply push on the tool and it will actuate the tool. The tool does have a guide post on it where you can put a strip length wire stop on here, so you can adjust your strip length either smaller or larger depending on what strip length that you require. You can simply lock that back down in place with the knurled knob. As I said, this tool will accommodate the 10, 12, and 14 gauges. So if you have a 10 gauge wire type, you put it in your 10 gauge slot, produce the strip, we'll let it go, and it will give you a quick, clean strip. These blades will work on multiple wire types, but there are various blades for every wire type that's out there. It'll drop your slugs out on your workstation so you won't have any FOD. It's called the WSP-1014. WSP-1014.